Beauty people, I throw a salad for everybody for outside day. Hope everybody don't take position. Because I know say, when 1 o'clock down is so, anybody can take a position because 1 o'clock, not time for Tory time. Not time for Tory time because Tory time, not a program where they tell when all thing where they take happen. What they happen for east, for south, for west, for north, in fact, where camera catch them, we show them. Where yeah, we talk them. Now the thing that way, we call them say, Tory time. Where it is for NG television every afternoon. So whether they watch the program, whether they didn't outside, we go tell you say, good afternoon. Whether you didn't for one man country, just know say anybody who did for one man country, if you watch the program live for Facebook, if you watch the program live for Facebook as it pass now, what you get for doing say, just enter NG television. NG TV television for Facebook. You go see the program live. President Kokoriko, Mr. Sepp, I go dede at the talk, when I go dede the year. Inside the Tory time for today, last week, plenty fire be there to Walla. Last week, plenty fire. Fire upon fire. Not be Holy Ghost fire. I say fire where it burn places for that of Douala. It not be easy. And the recent one, where I go show them for the program today, now say it burned close to 30 houses. 30. Not be say 3. 30. Inside that very Tory time for today, we go show now how that book where they be write plenty immoralities. That's what they call them. They be write some kind of immoral word them. They don't last. Change that pages them. So the book they now for market. I said that science book where they be write some trong, let me say trong word them. Trong bad fashion word. They be write inside. They don't like change that page them. So take the book then for a market. We will show you to that one. Do we camera no see now some microfinance where people they don't keep their money for day. They won't go for go take money. Microfinance workers they don't vamoose everywhere lock. So now the headline for the Tory time for today. We go show on the outing all two will take upon and even though our camera no catch them, what I catch them, what ear them catch them. Panapo for today na say if sun one should say it get power. May it shine for night like moon. If sun it one should say it get power. Make it shine for night like moon. Now who send up pineapple? They record the man who send up pineapple say Peter Gore. Where they ever call for the program all time. Peter Gore for us about touristic, catch it touristic, Peter Gore for touristic. Now he send with the pineapple for today, it talk say, if sun, one should say get power. May it shine for night like moon. Moussi. Le proverbe d'aujourd'hui nous a été envoyé par Pythagore, téléspectateur de cette émission. Son proverbe dit ceci. Que si le soleil veut nous prouver qu'il est fort, ou encore veut nous démontrer sa force, qu'il brille la nuit comme la lune. Si le soleil veut nous démontrer sa force, qu'il brille la nuit comme la lune. Voilà. Proverbe envoyé par Pythagore. That proverbe na Pythagore don't send for you. For that's a quartier touristic for Babu some years. So we will take small transition and we come back can enter the Tory time proper. My name na President Kokoriko, most start the Tory time proper with trace for all Cameroonian citizens. And in fact, all man where they watch the program, whether you watch the program, you don't have all side, will they tell you say good afternoon. Whether you don't have a woman country, with some woman country, then now they look up for bed. We will tell you say good morning. The other people they never woman country where they want go now for go sleep, will they tell you say good night. But for now good afternoon. I don't tell you say when the program is start, you want to watch the program for Facebook, you just tap NGTV television. When I don't know, NGTV television. For Facebook, you go watch this program live. And when you watch the program, not forget for share them. Eh? When you watch the program, not forget for share them. Or like them. Now we start the story time. I will tell when I say, fire be dead Douala the whole last week. Fire for Sitesi. Fire for this side. Fire for this side. And finally now, for Friday, people they woke up for morning time for Friday, they see what they call and say, fire. I say around 11 o'clock at night, people they see what they call and say, fire for Douala. Whether the fire don't reach for your area, or the fire nobody reach for your area, you say you see the intensity of the fire, you the big force for transfer. I say you see the way the fire they come, you the big force for carry a car to go. Because that fire, it never been a play fire. They can't fire where army rescue say they fear for loss. That can't fire where it take happen for Douala. Even army rescue, they not free just lost them easily, as we tell you. Put image medicine. Now for us and for Nubaro Besenge, when I see the fire, army rescue they stand where no day. Where this fire they so na petrol, kerosene, gas oil, all that one combined. Now it caused this fire. When I see the way fire they outside, army rescue them there for that side to they struggle their own for struggle. Population too they say, oh yeah, we will do how? Then they for back army rescue. Then they help army rescue for lost the fire. Unfortunately, no way. Army rescue, they, I don't tell when I say this fire so. Now a combine of petrol, gas oil, and kerosene. All that 3 plus gas. All that four so. Now he make this fire. Imagine this kind of this power for make the fire strong so. Imagine say kerosene and petrol and gas oil and gas. They just meet up, start fire. You go lost which one, live which one. See the way population, they help army rescue. Where no day. This fire they so a burn houses. I said for night time when the fire start, you where you feel the heat, you don't get time for pick something. You don't come out the go na go. Because they shout, the whole while they shout. So one day they take pan the snack and so bing 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 bing. Whether if you sleep strong, you get for woke up. I said they knock zing bing 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 bing. If you know the year, that means the fire go burn you. If you know hear the way the noise will come out, no say the fire go burn you. But this fire burn only one person. Some age mommy. This fire what I say so. Huh. This fire so it burn one person. When there's some age mommy, where the age mommy too, it not be well. If you dey inside your room, you sick bed. They struggle so well. Now will carry me go outside there. Now will carry me go outside there. Fire la burn them. Finish them. Fire burn some picking for that very fire. So it burn some picking. But thank God say they carry the picking go hospital, but the picking finally die na for hospital. The picking finally die na for hospital. And some other people they dey for hospital where this very fire so for Douala a burn them. I said the fire so it not be easy. Thank you very much. I said the fire it not be easy. Ha. Na for us have a Société Camerounaise de dépôt pétrolier. that place where they stock petrol, they stock kerosene, they stock gas oil, they stock gasoil, they stock I watch again petrol and also again. They stock other things. And that when they process them, the dirty of that petrol and the dirty of the kerosene and the dirty of the petrol of the gas oil, it pass now for some gutter hole. They go. And that gutter hole is there for back deep people their houses. That means all the gutter hole where the dirty for this fire, it pass now only inside that gutter hole. So when fire start, it follow all that dirty where the pass for that gutter hole. Now so the fire they burn the dirty for the petrol and for the kerosene and for the gas oil and the burner they catch Carabo houses. You go put that first image you made the see. However, now that dirty they be talk for the country say enough find some they begin the bill for place where they keep petrol. Now so one this oh now see not up close to 30 houses, 30 maisons. Ce n'est pas 2 maisons qui se sont descendues. 30 maisons brûlées. 30. Les gens ont dormi à la Belle Étoile. Et tout ça parce que ce sont les maisons à côté de la SCDP, Société Camerounaise de dépôt pétrolier. Imaginez que si le feu là, ou bien c'est encore un flux de ces carburants là, un réservoir de carburant, ou bien le réservoir de pétrole qui tombait comme ça, pour ça devait brûler tout le quartier. Mais encore des images, mais des siens. Mais encore des images, mais des siens, où fire be dead. Serious one, not be play. And then when they be drugs, where you say, people, the way they want be house, not be the one. Okay, when I see the way for daytime, the one already for day. Okay, the one I do for night. When I see the way fire, a burn houses, as I be talk. Where the fire na petrol, gasoil, and kerosene a cosam, these people where they burn their house, where fire burn their house, these people they stay for some place where for corner that Cameroon Depot Petroleum a day. When another Cameroon Depot Petroleum wait for that for Nouvelle Besengede, wait there for Bepanda, as you want go for Miss Paul, you go see them. So the fire a burn these houses them, so the army rescue come for day, when not be there for off the fire. French and leave them so. May we go now for the one for daytime. For daytime, when I will see the way the place we don't be, put a medicine away for daytime. All the houses for that area, fire burn all. When I will see the way for daytime, the house they don't be. Almost 30 houses. Put a medicine away. That number 2, you will see the way fire burn houses. As I don't tell when I say thank God say the fire, it no burn people plenty. But now all some mommy where they for sick bed. Nana mommy where fire can catch them, a burn them. Nana mommy where fire can catch them, a burn them. Put image better begin to see away for daytime when no be day. Now so all that place so it don't level if the actually say your husband there for year for year, you not gonna know him again. Friend jam. If they actually say your house be there for outside for a year, you not gonna know him again. Because the fire don't clear all thing. When I see him. The only plan when I see him, so houses they be there. Tout l'endroit s'il y avait les maisons là-bas. Si on te demande que ta maison était encore de quel côté, tu ne peux plus connaître parce que le feu a brûlé partout. Plein de 30 maisons. So when I see the way fire burn houses, it burn them. All the other houses the way they live for this so. Now by lucky, where the house they see they up. I said now by lucky where there was the houses they see there. Now for that side of Douala, yes, somebody talk say the fire burn for side. Now for that side of Douala, for Bipanda, Nouvelle Road, Bisenge. Now so someone don't send me message. Say burn for side. Now for that side of Douala, for Bipanda, for Nouvelle Road, Bisenge. That Cameroon depot petroleum, where they for this, people where they stay for corner. When I know say last time they go broke people their houses, so in the family people they begin to stay for day. And anyway, fire don't come now this time around. A burn houses, so they burn almost 30 houses. People then they don't even get house again. For that side do all day. Even pan for chop, they don't get them. Spoon for chop, they don't get them. Serpers, they don't get them. Because that way the fire it come, Oma run around. Na for that side besenge, nouvelle besenge. For do all day. Nouvelle besenge for do all day. Oh, they can fire. This can when I see the mami so na oil cover that. Other kabangono so na oil close that. The other one, the army rescue struggle so they tire. No way. Struggle for here, no struggle for that side. No way. Finally now the struggles when I see the way fire don't go off. Any man they pick, do I they pick zingo, benamo, do I they pick aluminum, do I they pick iron, do I they pick na firewood. Why they go take firewood way? The fire don't come burn so the key man they will go cool now which can chop utamo. I know Sabia. So now so the besenge, nouvelle besenge don't they now. Ooh. Hey, and the very country so they don't vote law. Friend, they don't vote law for the country say they not get for B. That means say houses they get for day 400-meter square away from the petrol station. That means say you get for commercial go 400 meters. Go so 400 meters. Go behind 400 meters. But now so you see petrol station, they can't buy plot for corner houses. If they build the petrol station for that place, now say may the people that come out go, or may the people the country they only vote now vote. They vote law. When I see the way I said they can't fire, so they talk so many people they stay for corner petrol station. Say they're in danger. But now, so you see only the new petrol station where they come now. You see petrol station, they can't buy plot. For corner people, the way they don't stay for that place for almost decade. For almost 50 years. Petrol station, they can't buy plot. Be a petrol station for day. People, they sit there for corner. Now, who get for commode first? Governor, they never answer with that one. So, when they still throw a salute for all man, but we go tell when I say, they don't vote law say, they know how many people they begin to be petrol station or corner people their houses. Say if a petrol station one day, may they go for remote area, where they go get a big plot. Now so they be talking now. No, but they be talking so they right for parliament. They write that one so they right for parliament. Say anyone want be petrol station, may go for remote area, where go buy plot, get enough space, where go be petrol station, where people the next people they won't come, they will go 400 meters away. 400 meters away. 400 meters away, front and back, left and right. But now petrol station they can't buy plot for place where people they stay for there for almost 60 to 70 years now. And when they build the petrol station for there, they look and look up. All man they look and look up. Minister pass for front, they look up. Mayor pass for front, they look up. What now which one? All man they look and look up. SNS they pass, they look and look up. When I see the way fire don't do them for that side of Douala day. And the people they know say they not go for the day. But that plot in this so where they don't sell and sell them. Now so man they way house in no get them. Clothes in no get them. Money in no get them. Family all thing don't born. Man go for village with short knicker, slippers, and tricot. French job. He not get no spare clothes for go village. Just imagine say you should on for village. You want to see your brother come with short knicker and slippers with tricot. All that. When fire don't burn all thing for town. Oh, they want a balogo. Bad luck. Okay. Now we continue inside the story time. We got to talk about Plaba book. School book them. Because we have not say, they play school book where they come out. Oh. Mrs. I be read the terms the way they be write inside the book. Mrs. I talk say yes. I give cafe for man will write that book. It should say the man will be write that book. We don't know what I get picking or you don't get picking. The kind terms now the way they write hopper. I said the kind terms when they be write inside the book. They be bad. Parents they complain. So they go for parliament. Parliament, she don't go down, they say, no. It's not correct. Say it's not correct. Minister of Secondary Education take books so look and say, try. Now what it is? They can't tense. Hey. They call it a big grammar say immoralities. I said they can't tense concerning science between man and woman issue. Ooh. Between man and woman issue, they use some contents them where you go look and so you just say, Jay, you as a Christian, you never pronounce and say. Even though you not be Christian, you never pronounce them because the terms they be bad. Parents they complain. Teachers they complain. Parliamentarians they complain. Minister take and so look and so say, Jay, now this country picking the go learn for school. You see the way man picking a woman they sleep for bed so hey. I said they complain so they don't go move on. They don't complain so they don't go move on. Put now so they say the book they do for outside. We're not gonna show the name for the book. But we'll tell when I say the science book. So in the book where they don't change them now, so the book now is there for bookshop. They don't change them. They don't change other page them. Other page where they be write Baba fashion. That's what they call them. Other page the way they be write Baba fashion. Baba fashion, no. Say my picking go sleep for here. Daddy sleep for here. Mommy sleep. Ooh. Why na white man the fool we or that we the fool white man or with the copy white man we no sabia. So they don't change other book. They move other bad fashion. Who you move bad fashion? All bad fashion where they be put inside that book. They move on all. They say science day where they go teach for Pekin. They never talk say Pekin they no go learn them. Pekin they go learn them, but not before that age. Pekin then go learn them, not before that age. Friend, you remember that time that music be come out, they call and say, Tawo they small. If you turn and always say say, when that music, you go there, they go knock you so there. I said Tawo be they small. If you come up for your mom, say say, Yapa, you don't die that day. They go set you, they go cook you na cook. So now the book then this, where they don't move Baba fashion inside, all that bad talk the way they be writer inside, say this one and that, concerning science, all that talk them, where they be writer, ooh, I swear to God. Now let's say I didn't even pronounce that thing for you. I say be bad. Now all the parents they complain, no, and they want so the people where they be writer, people the bad fashion the inside and say, they talk say, parents they take time to educate their picking. When I don't say I'm not papa and mommy them. Say parents, they need to take time for educate their picking them. Now why that they go write bad fashion? Say this one. So they don't move them now. Picking them the way they go learn their book. The time go the way they go get friend jam. The time go the way they say self. Because picking the big na big. No picking the small na small. And when picking the go school, they start with A, not be so. B, C, D, not be so. Now so they start for picking. After they say B, A equal to the right term. They say M-O plus T-H-E-R. Now wait, picking talk say mother. No be they so they combine the word them. Now small. When picking go now for primary 2, they get the one they teach for primary 2. Education now gradually. You know if you take thing where picking where don't mature. Thing where picking where don't mature, supposed to know. They go take and now they go give for picking for where no even know you know nothing. Oh. No, baby bat, Mrs. President Kokoriko, me a be talk say, be bat. Ooh. Hey, no, it be bad. But at least we go thank minister. We don't understand the cry of parents. Minister of basic education, minister of secondary education, all they bought, because when I know say before they want validate book, now bought they should not validate book. Not be minister because minister go read that book they which day. Every day will read one page. Now how many days? So we will talk say thank you minister. Mapo S ministers. Maybe go now for that side of Douala day for go tell una say na so microfinance do one and one camera no see am. Na so microfinance where they talk say save your money and collect it. But we don't bring our own slogan. Say save your money easily and collect it difficultly. That means you save your money easily, but for taker, you get problem. Save your money easily and collect it difficultly. Now some microfinance where people they keep money for day. You get 1,000, you go keep up. 500, you go keep up. 2,000, you go keep up. You they keep them so with the hope. Say tomorrow, you go like for take and make capital. Or tomorrow, you go like for take and buy one thing. Or tomorrow, you go like for. In fact, anybody know why they keep it on more money? People that don't come out say they want can't take money for microfinance. They discover say microfinance, it don't close. I'm gonna say, hey. So man come for this make as well. Say, hey, I dey see what is so. Hey, look and say again. Hey, make as well. Say, hey, wait door for the microfinance they lock. Wash night no day. Wash night no day. Guard. Now daytime say. Guard, security guard no day. Microfinance they lock. The person no talk. He come out go in. Come the next day. It won't be the next day. He see the place, see the lock. He say, maybe thing where they happen for people may not happen for me. Where the man don't take him money, fine. Go keep him for that microfinance. He don't save him money for that microfinance. Save. Now so microfinance don't close. They need to see nobody. Worker disappeared. Now one worker they way there be no house where one of the customer for the microfinance be no house. They come out go for the worker in house, go catch the worker. Worker say wait, me I know what They don't just send issue message for a phone. How they don't sack it. He said they don't sack it. Say they so any pass on the microfinance for almost 5 days now. Say they don't sack it. Say they work again for the microfinance. Before issue message for a phone, before they start to use that number where you don't send that message, the call. Then they call the pass. Microfinance, they don't gather money, microfinance don't vamoose. Oh, Cameroon governor. People then go keep their money. Money will first strongly with this. People they go keep their money for inside microfinance where it be recognized, legalized, minister no, ultima no, and the people they will just take people their money so vamoose minister we should don't quiet. When they look and look when they tell when I say na so it when I know so on the microfinance they will say some, not be say all. I don't tell when I say no be all, no be all. Because some people they will shit for day, they will talk so I don't tell when I say some people they do it. Not be all man be thief man. You be thief man? No. I be thief man? No. But some thief people they know. So human being they do it not thief people. Some human being they do it not thief people. Not be all human being be thief man. So now I just say some people they do it they can't hide for back. As they don't get fine microfinance they do outside where they do their work fine, they can't pass now for back. Save your money easily and collect difficultly. You go save up. Save up. When you want to go collect the money, you want to carry door the lock. You say, hey, you want to see that time man, they move eyeglass, shine eye, white eye, open eyes will look up whether the money don't disappear, whether they place the lock or you know the lock. I want to see them now. Now all they don't end, where the minister no say it be duly registered, under, sign by, all that thing there for ministry, they know. They go take people their money, go time so, make for the chop stone, with the look and look up. We go travel salad for everybody for outside there. We tell people they were there for that side for one man country where they send me message. Muma Roland for that side for Toronto. Toronto na for one man country for Canada. Toronto. We get a big manager. Big manager where they for that side for Vancouver na for Canada too. They watch program. But I know say all me. In fact, all we did na for Canada all the time. All my way they watch the program for that side for Vancouver. Yes, English Street for that side for Vancouver. So we trust a lot for all my way to watch the program for that side for English Street, Vancouver, never Canada. Who never travel. Fred, you don't travel. No, you don't travel. Okay. So we go take small transition and we go come back for can't take what to the call and say if now you in that pathway, I the talk, you the talk. When I talk, you talk. Now they call and say if na you. My name na President Kokoriko. And the program they call and say Tory time. Now so Tory time to finish with the enter na if na you. When I come good, once more. Pineapple for today na say, pineapple for today na say, if sun, one should say get power. May it shine for night like moon. If sun, one should say it get power. Make it shine for night like moon. Now who said that pineapple? Na Pythagore for that sabot touristique. Le proverbe de ces jours c'est si le soleil veut prouver sa force, qu'il brille la nuit comme la lune. Si le soleil veut prouver sa force, qu'il brille la nuit comme la lune. C'est un proverbe qui nous a été envoyé par Pythagore, téléspectateur de cette émission. J'ai dit que vous aussi vous pouvez envoyer vos proverbes. Envoyez le numéro, non? Voici le numéro ici. Envoyez les proverbes là-bas. Nous aussi on va recevoir et on va lire. N'oubliez pas de mettre votre nom et le nom de votre quartier. Okay, if na you, na say, that if na you today get for hot. This if na you for today come on arrive for Fumban. I say if na you today, a come on arrive for Fumban. Say safe. So the if na you for today, a come on arrive for Fumban. And I know say everybody when they watch the if na you now, a get for participate because na plaba Ngondere and Ngondere. Na plaba Ngondere and how they call boy picking, boyfriend and girlfriend, Ngondere and Boindere. So na plaba Boindere and Ngondere. Okay. This particular issue me will talk me una year. Woman don't she don't eat quiet. Woman don't she don't eat quiet. She don't eat for her own side. Some man come out from some different side. Meet up the woman for market. We don't know the kind of people them. When I hear final, when I know they come see people them. These Mexican people they work. Because they say for Western region, some people they make some time and say their head don't play. They say some fuse don't blow for their head. You be woman. You be woman. You the worker. You the worker, you there for market, you the buy. You the buy, you the buy, you the buy. Now, you meet up some new woman where they call and say, come see. When I know come see, no, that woman the way they do makes it. The woman where now come see run, come meet up you. Tell you say, any tongue for the woman, no. Say it is so. As you did so, they don't love you. They don't love you. In fact, na charm. Say they don't charm you. They come say talk say and the woman, we send the problem for you. The woman talk say it go do how. They come see tell you say, as you do work as so, you dey in danger because they don't lock you. You know if you go front, you know if you come back because they don't lock you. Now the woman now a commode go meet that comes see to true for real find out, real true. Say okay, you be meet me for market say they don't lock me. Now who don't lock me? Tell me ma, yeah. They come see woman when I make see woman. They tell you say as it is so. As it is so, the man where you and he to stay. The man where you and he to stay. In fact, he don't do things for your head. Where you know if you go front, you know if you go back, you know if you leave here. So now only so. That means say the love we wanna live between the love we wanna live, not be the reality, not be reality. That means say now when I live in some kind of bed, not be the real one where you supposed to deliver. As he talks so, show you all things for inside there. When I know the makes a woman, you know, show you all things. Now the woman don't send enough for we. I went today na Monday, I had to send for we for Friday. In fact, it is fine. Everybody when they follow the program now, you go react. May the woman do how? May go ask the husband, or may do how? If na you, the woman, what you go do? The one don't pass me. If na you, the woman, what you go do? You go ask your husband. You go do how? You go do how? If na you, what you go do? Make I talk again. Now, the one a come arrive for Fumban. Story. Where come up for that side of Fumban. Woman where it work for market to buy. Normal woman, how they work at the buy, they do market so they buy okra, buy tomato, buy this. Somebody comes see woman, them they come see woman when I make a woman. When I make say woman, they come see woman, come tell you say as it is so. Something the way they block you. And the way that thing be mystical. You and your man will not live the real love. Say we not did together. For you, you check say na love, but it will not be love. Na magnetic love. That means say we not something the way your husband don't do one. Where we must always be together. So we not live the natural love. Something they. They come see woman don't tell you all things. Now you the woman don't say you the woman now. If now you go ask your husband, you go do how? All tell you the same story for you. I don't know why you married legally. If now you what you go do? Bam. L'histoire de cet après-midi, dans le téléphone number de that, na téléphone number this. Call we for this telephone number, so this two telephone number. When I call we, whether you call, we go pick them. You send me SMS, we go pick them. If now you what you go do, make I explain the story now for French. Ça c'est une histoire qui nous a été envoyée depuis Fumban. Et ça c'était vendredi. Donc on va déjà dire merci à ceux qui nous regardent du côté de Fumban. C'est-à-dire, c'est l'histoire, c'est une femme qui est en plein marché. Une femme qui est au marché, en train de faire ses achats. Et subitement, les femmes qui font souvent comme si, les kamsi, on appelle ça les kamsi, non? Donc, les voyantes là, une voyante, une kamsi, ça mène vers la femme et dit à la femme que madame, là où tu vois là, tu n'es pas vraiment là où tu devais être. La femme dit que comment? La voyante dit que parce que toi et ton mari avec qui vous vivez là, vous ne vivez pas l'amour naturel. Elle dit que comment? La femme commence à expliquer. C'est là où maintenant la femme comprend. La femme a bien compris comme ça. Si c'est toi la femme, tu fais comment? Tu peux demander à ton mari, ou bien tu fais quoi? Tout fait comment? Et now you, what you go do? Si c'est toi, tu vas faire comment? C'est-à-dire la femme est au marché en train de faire ses achats normalement. Alors une femme s'amène, une voyante. Les femmes qui font le camsi là. Une voyante s'amène et dit à la femme là que comme tu vois là, voilà, parce que actuellement, on t'a bloqué et c'est ton mari qui t'a bloqué. L'amour que vous vivez là, ce n'est pas le naturel, c'est le surnaturel. L'amour est magnétique. Ah, voilà, magnétique, on a dit. Donc vous vivez l'amour, le genre d'amour qu'on a fabriqué en l'air là, ce n'est pas ce que Dieu vraiment... c'est là où la voyante a commencé à dire, à gauche, dit. La femme a dit que, si c'est toi à la place de la femme, tu fais comment? Tu peux voir ton mari, tu l'expliques, ou bien tu fais comment? Bam! Et tout ça s'est passé à combien? 25 francs. On a toutes les informations ici. 25 francs, ça veut 25 francs que la voyante a dit que donne seulement 25 francs. Je vais tout t'expliquer. Et tout ça s'est passé où? Au marché. If na you go do it. If na you, what you go do? Oh, not it true. Any man want call, if you want call, we go pick your call. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon.
Ouais, bonsoir.
C'est qui là?
William depuis Toket.
Voilà. Vraiment, le Dieu, toi-même à la place de la femme là, tu vas faire comment?
Bon, je ne pense pas qu'elle doit demander ça à son mari, puisque la voyance n'est pas son Dieu. Ouais, ni le fait que je pense que Dieu n'a pas discuté de cela. C'est tout ce que je peux dire.
Donc, elle ne doit pas demander ça à son mari.
Non, je ne vois pas pourquoi elle doit demander.
Elle fait alors comment? Elle sauve sa tête, elle fait comment?
Bon, je ne sais pas, puisque vous n'avez pas bien expliqué ce que la femme a dit.
C'est ça qu'elle demande, non? Parce que si elle dit à son mari, elle va dire à son mari va faire comment? Bon, en tout cas, dis-moi, tu n'as pas de place. Toi, tu vas faire comment?
Donc, moi, je trouvais que si elle était peut-être à l'aise dans son mariage, mieux vaut ne pas demander à son mari.
Mieux vaut ne pas demander à son mari.
Et puis, c'est soi-disant voyantes là, parfois, sont des trompeuses.
Ok. Ok, merci beaucoup.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, brother, don't talk. Say, if na ye, the woman, he no go ask am for your husband. Man, if I keep the other telephone. Telephone them plenty for the house. The brother don't talk. Say, if na ye, for that my place, he no go ask am for your husband. He no go ask am. No matter as they live happily, he no go ask am. Là, tu es talking. Mais j'étais en train de dire que la voyante a dit à la fille que là, vous vivez l'amour que vous vivez là. Ce n'est pas l'amour naturel. Parce que, et elle a démontré tout à la femme, que la femme a dit que, voyez. Alors, c'est la femme qui a envoyé maintenant l'histoire. Elle demande que, si c'est vous à sa place, si vous êtes à sa place, vous allez demander ça. Parce que c'est le mari qui est accusé. Que le mari a attaché. Je n'ai pas voulu tout détailler, non? Que le mari a fait les sourcils sur elle. Si c'est toi, à la place de la femme là, tu fais comment? Ouais, allô?
Allô?
Ouais, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now where? Now, Gerard?
Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas, for us about Tungande. How about us about Tungande money?
No,
I say, Massa, Trump in the way is strong. So, man, don't say some capra in the way is strong pass you for here. If now you go tell what you, if now you for that place without man, you go do how? Hello?
I'll ask the thing for my mother.
You go ask the team for your massa, eh? Okay, if now you go ask the team for your massa.
Yes.
Okay.
Because if you are not answering, I'm not going to be quiet.
Okay, you go for ask, if now you go ask the team for your massa.
Yes, I will ask them. You tell me where I go.
Okay. All right, time for them.
Because you are not answering, I'm not going to be quiet.
So if now you go ask the team for your massa. Okay, thank you very much, brother. Salute to people before you go.
Okay. Hello, you, see your face.
Ah, thank you, Masa.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Drop the call. Some people in there for line, plenty. Oh. Okay, ma write the one on so that we will show the woman say, the one on talk say if na he go ask the master. The other one on talk say if na he no go ask anything for a master. One. If na you go do how? Make I take SMS because people don't do it. If you send an SMS, we will read them. So one don't talk say, j'analyse d'abord moi-même avant de parler à mon mari. Mais je fais... Mohamed, attends, on revient d'abord sur toi d'abord. Attends, on prend d'abord le téléspectateur ou le téléphone là, fait comment maintenant? Ouais, allô?
Oui, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Mon nom c'est Victime.
Votre nom c'est?
Victime.
Michel?
Victime.
Oui. Si c'est toi à la place de la femme là, elle a envoyé sa part. Nous, on ne connaît pas nous les machins là. Tu comprends, non, père? Non, on ne connaît pas nous ça. Et si là, tu parles de ta part, elle va aussi comprendre. Si c'est toi à la place de la femme là, tu fais comment?
Voilà ce que je voulais dire. La femme doit informer son mari. S'il aime son mari, il doit aller dire à son mari ce qui se passe. Vous savez, il y a des esprits, des sacs sorciers dehors qui sont prêts à détruire le mariage, à séparer les gens parce qu'ils le voient entre les aimés. Alors que la femme prend son courage et dit à son mari, explique ce qui se passe à son mari. C'est très important pour lui.
Donc la femme doit informer son mari.
Évidemment.
Parce que c'est celui qui est accusé.
Je voulais apporter un autre sujet dans votre
rubrique.
Télévision. Oui. Donc, je suis victime, comme j'ai dit sur la victime, j'ai épousé une femme en 2015, le 1er janvier 2015, et il est quitté chez moi et parti. Et puisqu'on a épousé, m'avait dit qu'il a un enfant, et pourtant il avait 4 enfants. Et il est parti. Dernièrement, chez moi, je reste, elle revient à la maison avec une lettre de divorce. Il dit qu'il veut divorcer.
Avec quoi?
Une lettre de divorce. Je demande conseil à tous mes amis, à tout le monde.
Donc, avant qu'elle ne parte, vous aviez combien? 4 enfants?
On n'a pas aucun enfant.
Ok, vous n'aviez pas d'enfants.
Il avait fait ses enfants dehors, 4 enfants. Pourtant, on a dit qu'il avait un seul enfant, et pourtant, il avait 4 dehors. Je lui ai demandé l'opinion de toutes les personnes qui entendent cela, qui vient avec l'acte qui vous déchirer l'acte.
Donc, elle revient mais avec l'acte, avec une lettre de divorce.
Oui.
Alors qu'elle n'est même plus avec elle, était à partir, elle depuis.
Et que je signe, après il me dit que s'il n'a pas, il va me montrer quelque chose, il va me montrer ce que je n'ai jamais vu à mon frère. Et je demande le consentement de tout le monde pour me donner vos idées. Merci. Soyez bénis.
Ok, merci beaucoup. Voilà, merci beaucoup. Any man get problem for their side? Any man get problem? But now only we the fish share problem, c'est au fils solve. Chacun a son problème. Comme ma mère disait que chacun a sa problème. Et il n'y a que nous qui pouvons nous assembler pour voir comment on peut résoudre nos problèmes. Make I take this one. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Kukurigo.
Yes, now we.
Stefan for your neighbor for your backside.
Okay, Stefan for backside.
Yes.
For my neighbor for backside.
Yes, I think I am neighbor.
Okay, Stefan. If now you go do how for that position for that woman. That woman will go to market, so woman meet up, you take your boss that kind of thing. You will be the woman, you go do how.
If I mean for that woman position, no? I know. What, you know, don't worry, no, because if you know my man for her, no problem. I mean, that kind of woman for market, that kind of thing for me. Maybe that kind of thing for other ways. Don't I don't put me the woman, but don't I? That's what I can do for other people going to their marriage, you know. So if I need that woman, I mean, the argument not to my master. If you know my master, this will have no problem.
Yes.
And it's not quiet. Yes.
So if now you the woman, you go sit down, you quiet. And something the way the woman, that means say that makes a woman, he asked the only 25. Nobody say be the fine money. He asked 25. They give 25. It explain. In fact, according to the woman, where he sent me the problem, he explain, and the way they can explain, the woman says, if try for recall your memory, if you understand, say, okay, now so the thing will happen. But you don't know the woman. Okay, the one don't go in a go. Okay, make I read SMS them first. If na me, I go left my massa with Balok. Na Lopez. Say if na he go leave the massa with that Balok. Where the massa don't start time. Good afternoon. If na me, I will ask the woman to prove if my friend take this caller. They know. Yes, hello. Péjago, celui qui nous a envoyé le proverbe cet après-midi. Ton proverbe là veut casser ses mains la tête. Le proverbe, tu as dit encore quoi? Que si le soleil veut monter, qu'il est fort, qu'il brille la nuit comme la lune. Voilà. Ok, Pythagore, si c'est toi à la place de la femme de Fumban là, tu fais comment?
Si c'est moi à la place de la femme là, je prends mon temps d'analyser moi-même.
Ouais.
Si ça n'arrive, si ça ne donne pas, je m'en vais demander conseil à un pasteur. Puisque je n'ai pas su que la femme, que la voyante là, dit aussi la vérité. Moi, alors, ce qui fait que je dois lui demander au mari pour l'instant, mais je vais chercher à avoir une confirmation par rapport à ça. Je peux demander conseil, ce qui veut dire que je peux demander conseil même à un pasteur dans le pays de position ici.
Ok. Tu vas demander conseil au pasteur.
Oui.
Mais la personne qui a les preuves, c'est la voyante là.
Elle a les preuves. Qu'est-ce qui peut alors me faire croire qu'on ne lui pas demander ça? Peut-être que c'est un plan pour me séparer de mon type, je ne sais pas.
Ok, peut-être c'est un plan pour te séparer, toi et ton type.
Oui.
Ouais.
Je vais prendre le temps d'analyser moi-même. Ça ne dit pas vraiment que je parle à toi pour me tuer. Mais si je dis la reste à découvrir la vérité, je veux dire que c'est une fiction là qui apprend depuis.
Ok. Ok, merci beaucoup Pythagore. Bon début de semaine. Thank you very much Pythagore. Même endroit. Pythagore. Ok, salut Apollinaire. Pythagore, thank you very much. Même endroit. Même endroit dans 30 minutes. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much, Pythagore. Pythagore, même endroit dans 30 minutes. Mot de passe. Okay, someone on talk say, good afternoon. If na me, I will ask the woman for proof. I will hurriedly go to my church. So, let me say, he will go for a church and he will first explain for pastor. He will explain for pastor. And he no go suspect the husband for anything. So I will ask him, Bonté bijou. Merci beaucoup. That matter today strong. Oh. Yay. Good evening. No, now na evening this. Now na afternoon. No be evening this na afternoon. Good afternoon, President Kokoriko. Na so they talk. Good afternoon, President Kokoriko. If na me, yes, if na you, what will happen? I go ask my husband, na Bobo from Buddha. Bobo from Buddha talk say if na ye, he go ask your husband. Thank you very much, Bobo. Bon après-midi, président Kokoriko. Si c'est moi à la place de cette femme, je me confie à Dieu parce que certaines voyantes disent ça pour mentir. Vu qu'il n'y a pas de bon foyer, vu qu'il n'y a pas de bon foyer. C'est Chanel de Bameka. Ah, on va tous dire. Merci. Oh, oh Chanel de Bameka. Oh, merci beaucoup. Oh. Et une amie. You want to mix na grammar and grammar, British English, American English, and Cameroon Pidgin. One time inside. Even me, at the place of that woman, I go consult my family first, because it may be that there is a girl who sent a woman to spoil my marital home with my man. So if he go consult the family first, because if he doing as a woman, they for front, we don't send that woman when the woman come, let's say he no correct. Maybe the woman can't talk that kind of talk for spoil marriage. Aha. The one don't talk it own. Program they can't finish, make her finish this one. If not me, they don't spoil them. They don't spoil them. They don't spoil program. So Auntie V for that have a curtain don't talk say, if not me, that woman must explain everything for my husband in front. Say if not me, that woman must explain everything for that my husband in front. Let me see you tie the woman carry above your woman. Okay. Majority of the people don't talk say make the woman not consider the thing where they makes the woman not talk. I'm not so. Now so woman not talk no. No be the majority that, because some people don't talk say maybe the woman it wants spoil that woman or marital home. Maybe. Chacun a dit ça pas. Que c'est la majorité a dit qu'il faut pas que la femme la dise à son mari n'est pas. T'as compris non ma sœur? Donc on va dire merci à tous ceux qui nous regardent du côté de Fumbani. I don't tell when I say if na you na program where you talk, I talk. When you talk, I talk, it means say na if na you. If na you na si c'est toi. If na you veut dire si c'est toi, tu fais comment? Faut dire bah ça me say oh là, tu fais comment? So we go talk say good afternoon for everybody who don't watch the program. Tomorrow, we go there again for here. Ne ratez pas le rendez-vous. Demain encore, à 13h, nous sommes là. Je m'appelle le président Cocorico. Le proverbe d'aujourd'hui nous a été envoyé par Pythagore. Si le soleil veut montrer ou encore démontrer ses forces, qu'il brille la nuit comme la lune. Merci beaucoup Pythagore. Envoyez-nous aussi votre proverbe. Ben, n'oubliez pas de mettre votre nom et même le nom de votre quartier. Comme Pythagore nous a envoyé son proverbe, il est du côté de touristique, ici à Bafoussam. Merci beaucoup. When I don't fire, when I say Panapo, we'll wait time. Tomorrow we'll go there again.